What's up, roses? Today's video is basically me just trying playing with makeup. So I thought, the appropriate title would be Playing with Makeup with Shay. I just wanted to bring that up because I had brought a lot of makeup recently because I didn't have any. So I just brought a lot of makeup, but then, I don't wear a lot of makeup. I know, right? I don't wear a lot of makeup. One, I touch my face too much to be wearing makeup. Two, it just feels heavy on me. Like I wear when I need to go out. Like I am gonna see somebody, or me and Babe's going out, something. But I don't just wear it on a regular basis. I don't know. It's just I don't like nothing on my face. I don't like when I rub it because I'll forget and I'll go like this and everything will be off. It'll be gone. Bye bye. It's just like it's no reason for that. So I thought that just so I can get used to makeup, and try new looks and different things, I thought I'd make a segment called Playing with Makeup. And, no hair, just tie my hair back and we could just play around with some looks. If y'all hate it, you hate it. If you love it, yay! But we won't know until we try. So let's get into this. I think what I want to start with first is the eyes, because I love Jackie Aina, Jackie. I love her. So when I see her do her tutorials, I always see her do her eyes first. So I'm going to do my eyes first. And what I know from other ones like Lisette or Smartisa Beauty or It's My Raye. And speaking of that, we're gonna use her lippy. We're gonna use her lippy. But side note, I always know, like, I didn't know before, but now I know. You're supposed to prime your eyes, which sounds like a rookie move on my part, but I really didn't know. I'm gonna start with this just to moisturize the lip while we put the rest of our makeup on, so when it's time for the lips, we don't look crusty. I love this lip balm. All of them. Primer from e.l.f. I just made up all over my eyes, and it's white. It's a white base. And now I'm just gonna blend out my finger, because I think that's like the best way. I know Max close, I'm sorry, I mean your personal laptop space, phone space, iPad space, iPod space, something space. I know all types of crazy right here. I'm gonna go in with my BH Studio contour palette and just take this light color, this color right here, and just put this powder on my eyelid just to set it so like there's no line. So now we got our face down and popped. If you guys hear something in the background, it's my uncle having a really intense talk for some reason right when I started filming, because he was definitely quiet this whole time. But that's besides the point. You guys didn't know I live with my grandfather and my step grandma and my uncle. It's a really long story in itself. Why? Okay, so we got that down. We're gonna go in. Which one should we do? Should we use the neutral, the Nouveau? I cannot. I'm sorry. I'm horrible at pronouncing. I'm not gonna try. But we have this to see. There we go. Okay, so like this color, and I think this is pretty. I think we should use this palette. And then we have the blush neutrals, which is also a really pretty palette. I have one more palette from. Oh, I think that was it. Yeah, I think that's it for my palette. So I have two palettes. No, I have three palettes. See, I knew I wasn't bugging. I have the BH Studio Pro, and this is like the ultimate new neutral shadow palette. It's gorgeous over here. And now I take this big one. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna go with this palette. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is, I think we're gonna we're gonna have a transition color, because that's what I know from makeup. So I think we're gonna go with this pretty coral color right here. This pretty coral color. We're gonna go in with that. It's a lot of fallout. Pro tip: don't hold your brush trim up here. You want to have the least control, so you won't have blushes. So you want to hold it like towards the end. You want less control as much as possible. So I'm just gonna start on this side. Don't mind me, because I'm looking at the mirror, because I feel like this, if I look into the camera, it will lie to me. And I'd be like, you good, girl, and I'm not good. I look like a hot ass mess. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. You know what? I'm gonna turn on this light on the sun just so. Ooh, okay, that's like too dark. I see my inner thoughts right now. That's perfect. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with this, and this is really pretty. I don't even know what kind of look I'm doing yet. We'll see when we get there. We'll see. Go a little bit more. Just to deepen that a little bit. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm pretty sure it sounds smart. Now I know what girls talk about when they're saying like I hate fallout. Like, I'd be like, oh, what you mean you hate fallout? But that fallout is OD. Go back in with the neutral palette because I want to deepen out the outsides. I don't know. I just became a critic over like 2 seconds. I'm gonna put this here on the edge and just deepen out my crease. Probably get something a little bit deep. I don't want it in black. That's like OD. Let me try this one. Okay, that looks like it's gonna work. Okay, that works. Yeah, that's better. So I changed it up and I took the last one, the end, instead of this one because I feel like this was too close to my transition color and it wasn't doing anything. Giving me no type of depth, so this definitely is. And yeah, and I am using BH cosmetic brushes. I don't know what number this is. Oh, this is number 5. So this is blending brush number 5. And the gold airbrush look is just to keep blending and blending and blending. Instagram videos, and I think I kind of lost touch in that. Well, that's pretty. That came out really pretty. In class, I can't control if I get an F. Well, I can control it, you know, because I earned the F. But I can control like if I observe something well or. I think I'm gonna go in with. I'm saying, maybe. I feel like this goal is something I would just typically go into. So I'm probably gonna go into. Let's see how this looks on it. Oh, that's pretty. That came out really pretty. It came out really, really pretty. That came out so pretty. I think I'm done with this. I think I'm gonna leave. Should I leave this alone? I feel like I should leave this alone. I feel like I should. I feel I should leave this alone, and I'm lying to myself, and I'm definitely trying to touch something else, and I should not be. I'm gonna try this one. And just add like a dab on the side in this corner, because I feel like this corner is kind of bored. Okay. All right. Let's leave it alone before I mess it up. I've always been like that since I was like a kid. Like, I will have something down packed and beautiful, right? Because I'm a mimicker. I mimic people. And then, for some reason, something will possess me to be like, let me add a little bit more of this. And mess everything up. This is the BS Cosmetic number 9. I'm going to go in with, ooh, this one's, I would go in this one, but I'm going to go with this one that has a little bit more shimmer. Or no, ooh, this one. I'm going with this one because it has like a little bit of color. And that's going to be my eyebrow highlight. Okay. And I did not do anything to my eyebrows. Just for the fact that, you know, my eyebrows don't really need a lot of attention to. And I don't like messing with them. I'm always going to like try to brush them up if anything. But I leave my eyebrows alone. There was a time where I shaved my eyebrows with a freaking razor. Like, I shaved my eyebrows because I thought my eyebrows were too thick and too bushy and people would make fun of me. And, you know, my mom didn't tell me, like, you know, you can shape them up, you can clean them out and they'll look so pretty. You know, I was just had bushy, untamed eyebrows and I just hated them. I didn't want no parts of them, so I took razors and I started thinning my eyebrows. Like, I started shaving my eyebrows because I hated them so much. Now I'm just like, oh my god, these are my babies. I think I'm gonna go in with a liquid eyeliner to line my eye. I'm just gonna do a little line. Oh my goodness, hold on. I just gotta put a dot here. I don't mess up. Sorry guys, hold on. I can't look at that. I'm gonna mess up. I'm gonna look over here in the mirror. I messed it up a little bit, but it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. We can deal with it. Okay. That changed the look a lot. Like it actually looks a little bit more put together now. And I definitely can use this. And I think I am. I think I'm all for it. Let's see. If not, ooh, that's pretty. Okay. That is so subtle and pretty. Oh, and this, by the way, is the Rosy Ultra Precise eyeliner in blue, liquid eyeliner and skinny. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And no, we're not using falsies. One, because I can't find my falsies that I had before. They are gone, and I don't know when they're coming back. Just for video sake, I'm gonna YouTube sake. I'm gonna put some under my eye. This is the Artistry Foundation Youth Extend Lifting and Smoothing Foundation. This one I've been using for a while, First, I'll just onto my face. That's good. I don't want too much. I'm just putting this all around. I'm gonna when was like, what age did y'all start wearing makeup? Cause I started wearing makeup, but I was doing it like the wrong way. Like I would wear like eyeshadow, like one eyeshadow all over my eye, and some bright ass lipstick and mascara, and I call that like full face makeup. Like I looked like a hot mess, bro. Nobody told me. Nobody cared about me looking like a mess. They just let me do it. They just let me do it. And I was just like, wow, like, you're my family. You were supposed to tell me, like, hell no. Sit your butt down. My gal, what you do? Like, I need some structure. Right there in the corner. So this is, ooh, this came out so pretty. It looks so pretty in the mirror. I don't know about right here. It looks alright here. In the mirror, girl. Snatchies. Snatchies your wig. Snatchies your life. Snatchies the nope off my shirt. I'm gonna take my contour brush and I'm gonna just buff this up one more time. Let's go with chisel first. And yeah, I'm gonna chisel first. And here, buff that out. My temples. This brush number 5 again, and actually contour my nose with it. And just run out my sponge brush and go through with that on my eye, my forehead, top of my nose, and then highlight my nose. Looking good, mamas. Yeah. I see you. Yes, I do. I see you, and you are looking fabulous, girl. You are looking great. Except for this wing. This wing, I don't know what happened to you, sis. By the way, the highlight matchstick with Sway, and this is actually like the another highlight matchstick for cinnamon with an S. So we're gonna just put that, you know, right here. We want a subtle highlight. You know, we came to the party bearing gifts, bearing love. We don't want to. We want to make a cameo. We don't want to just stop everything. We ain't Beyonce today. This powder brush, and I'm gonna just make sure I give this highlight some love. Bring it down a little bit, because I feel like it just comes to a stop, and I feel like sometimes I'm gonna blend out my highlight as well. See that beautiful little glow? That's what we want. We don't want nothing too harsh. We don't want nothing crazy. No. Popping my Cupid's bow. And that is That is gorgeous. So now we're gonna move to the left. So we got the face done and she's looking cute. I'm gonna actually go with a little blush. I'm using the Ashley Tisdale's blush slash, I believe, lip balm. This is cute and I think it goes with the skin today. So I'm just gonna put it on my finger and add a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna just blend out the contour on my forehead because like she's peeking through too much. She ain't listening to the rules. She's like Raye, my little sister. She don't listen to nobody. I have a BH Cosmetics waterproof lip liner in the color Earth. I'm just gonna take that and line my lips. I'm gonna use this Milani or more matte in the color COVID-19. I'm gonna place that on the like just on the outer corners of my lip. I'm gonna take a lip brush and I'm just gonna mash it together for her that messes up your lips in general. I'm gonna go in with the It's My Raye from BH Cosmetics and Rosy Raye. I'm gonna put that right in the center of my lip, and it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Okay, that's not much. And let's mix that up and cause I'm loving the lip, like using a lip brush. I feel like it makes it really precise. So this is actually a look I would wear. This looks so cute. This came out so well. And it's cute and it's like a little bit of pop with the blue. I feel like I thought I was gonna do a extravagant look. I guess I'm still a little bit too conservative. But this is definitely a look that I would use. Like on a, like just a daily, and like, you know, I feel like that blue just pops it out, just like and then makes somebody like, oh, hold on, like did you just put some blue in your eyes? Like, do you got blue in your eyes? You don't got blue eyes. You don't got blue eyes. What are you doing? What are you doing? I just feel like, I don't know why I move my hands so much. I feel like this came out really pretty. I actually love this. This was so cute, you know. This look looks so 90s to me. Like, even with my little scarf on, like, this look like a 90s dope, like, I got vibes look. But thank you again, guys, for chilling with me, talking with me, chatting with me. This is like a really good, I feel so much better. Thank you for joining me and playing with makeup. And until next time, roses, I see you later. Skirt! Wait, don't leave. I almost forgot. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the gang. Let's go with Rose. Gang, let's go with Rose with the gang. Rose with the gang. Rose with the. Come on, be a part of the Rose gang. So like, comment, subscribe, and for real, this time I will see you later.